What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Solana against the US dollar with the ticker symbol SOLUSD. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So Solana basically reached this measuring target like a lot of cryptos did. They're very, they're very connected. It's not really diversifying if you just buy another crypto versus, this crypto. Very similar price action as Ethereum. Bitcoin is definitely holding up much better, but either way we had one strong impulse up. This is one straight leg up, and then we saw the biggest drop in this straight leg, so that tells me we can start the second leg from there, and that's where price started finding resistance. At the high $100 level, 184, sub 200, started stalling out and started pulling back. So we started seeing price correct lower. So this was the first target right here. We saw a drop of this size right here, which can be a similar size drop in the future, and that dropped to the 156, but we still saw more downside. So that tells me that the bearish price action is still strong. So the bulls will need to break this downward trend line if it has any chance of moving up higher. And I think we're probably very close to the bottom. If not, we have already, because we're very close to this horizontal level right here, which was prior resistance that can be support. So resistance here, support here, support here. So it looks like we can probably see a little bit more downside, probably the 119 level once again, maybe a little bit lower, maybe a breakout, and then resumption of the uptrend, because we're also very close to this trend line right here. So we could probably see a break here and then resumption of the uptrend. Now, is that guaranteed? No, it's not. Solana might have topped, because this is not, it continues to drop lower and lower below this trend line, and this was a very large move down. So unlike Ethereum or Bitcoin, they look like they already made two legs or about to make two legs down. Solana looks like one leg. So this is one leg right here, and we could see a future second leg in the future, depending on the type of bounce we get. If the bounce is really weak, we might see another flush down. If the bounce is really strong, we might just continue to pump up. So that's what most likely will occur, where we see a little bit more downside, probably the low 100s. And then a strong V reversal. Is this something like right over here? We saw a large drop and then a V bottom reversal. We just kind of like take off like that. So that's what I'm expecting to occur. But if it doesn't, you know why? Because we're still below that downward trend line. So here is Solana on the weekly chart. Basically finding resistance at the same resistance levels in the past, right over here. And let's see if we can find support from where we are right now. It's just pulling back. We're still above the EMA, still above the trend line, still bullish territory. Again, if things start getting really ugly, we break the $100 level and we doesn't look like prices reversing, then this thing might just have topped and come back all the way down to the lows. But again, it's unlikely. More likely is we go a little bit lower and then see a strong reversal out of here. So that's all I have for Solana on daily weekly charts. If you guys want to see more of this, make sure you like and leave a comment, and then I could probably do Solana once again next week, Wednesday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.